Hi everyone, welcome to another lockdown cooking session in Mexico City. Today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe for Mexican hot chili oil. It's known as salsa macha. It's a sauce that originated in the state of Veracruz, and I'm going to take you guys through the ingredients. These chilies are called chile de árbol, also known as bird's beak chili. These are very intense, hot, spicy chilies. These are chile guajillo, also known as chile ancho. Now these chilies add a real depth of flavor to any dish without the heat. They're not very spicy. We have 300 grams of chile de árbol and 3 chiles guajillo. We also have plenty of garlic, onion, olive oil, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. I don't have any other sort of vinegar, but if at home you have white vinegar, that is fine. So we've got a third of an onion frying. And once this turns a golden color, we're gonna add our chilies. And we're gonna toast them. Now this part of the recipe is incredibly important. We have to be very careful not to burn our chilies. If we burn them, they become bitter and we have to start all over again because the sauce will be spoiled. So I'm going to keep an eye on my chilies, be stirring constantly so that they get toasted, but they're not cooked and burnt. And you're going to start to get a very spicy, aromatic scent in your kitchen. At this point, our chilies are toasted. You can hear the crispness of the chilies in the pan. And it is time to add the vinegar. I'm going to stir quickly to incorporate the vinegar. And at this point, you just want to turn the heat off, and we're ready to put the chilies in the processor. So the toasted chilies with the onions have gone into my food processor, and I've added 10 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, that's why I'm adding this much. Now, if you don't particularly like it, you can eliminate the garlic or use fewer garlic cloves. So we're gonna add our olive oil. Be very generous. I only use cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna add plenty of it because this is the liquid ingredient that's gonna allow me to make this sauce into a paste-like consistency. I can tell that the mixture is a little bit dry, so I'm going to keep adding olive oil to loosen the mixture up. So what you want to do at this point is get a spatula and start bringing the chili down from the sides and push down the chilies that have not been blended. And I'm going to keep adding some olive oil. So as you can see, it's starting to get a really thick paste-like consistency, and that is actually what you're looking for. At this point, I want to add my salt because we have to season our salsa macha. I'm going to whiz it up and taste it to see if it's okay for salt. With the large chilies, what you can do if they're not being processed, you can cut them into small pieces, and then that way the whole mixture will blend quite easily. Oh, if you guys could smell this, it smells incredible. So I'm going to whiz it up again. We finished the salsa. I do have to warn you guys, this sauce is incredibly spicy. I just tasted it, I wanted to check my seasoning, and I blew my mouth off. It is that spicy. I'm gonna serve it up. Oh my gosh. I love this sauce. It's so fragrant and aromatic. It will make your eyes water. It may even make you sneeze. but it's worth it. It's incredibly delicious. Now, if you don't really like spicy food, I don't recommend that you eat it, because this will definitely blow your mouth off. I like my sauce to be a very thick paste-like consistency, and this will keep in the fridge because it's being preserved in extra virgin olive oil. Add it to anything, guys. Pastas, rice, fish, meat, your veggie dishes, quesadillas, sandwiches, you name it, add it. You can add this sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and till next time, Chinita out.